What up, Dirty Bird family? You know, it's a lot of people out here, you know what I'm saying, uh, dragging Desmond Ritter, uh, and making all sorts of reasons to justify, but yet they turn around and give, you know, allowances and second chance emblems to the likes of Deshaun Watson, you know, Bryce Young, um, you know, um, Daniel Jones, Geno Smith, you know what I'm saying? Guys that were, in their franchises given opportunity to, develop and grow into their positions. But for whatever reason, you know what I'm saying, um, the expectations of Hall of Fame aura, you know, all pro aura, you know, and want to make justifiable reasons to go and scout and make judgment as to why we should go and get in place for a Caleb Williams or a Drake May, or a, what I'm saying, Shadur Sanders and whatnot. Why is that? Why we don't have time to, we have rookies, second and third year players in key positions, but there is no time to develop players. As history has shown us, as NFL history has shown us, there's no way around player development. It has to be done. It has to happen in order to have a sustainable product on the field. But yet, the microwave mindset mentality wins over, rides over, runs amok, an epidemic. Why is that?